University student, I know brothers who graduated with a full degree and a full loan with $0 still on their loan. Hey there, welcome guys, welcome back for another amazing video. So today we're gonna talk about a philosophy which a lot of people neglect when it comes to going about life. As you guys watch my videos, you guys watch other people's videos, you're learning, you're doing stuff. But I think there's one thing for sure is niyyah. A lot of people don't understand the concept of niyyah and the power behind wanting something and putting it as part of your niyyah. Remember, when you make the niyyah something positive or towards something that's going to be beneficial for ummah, for yourself, Allah Allah's command that should be written down as half of the good deeds are there already. The action is the next half good deeds. If you're doing something wrong and you've done the niyyah of the wrong thing, it's not necessarily written down as half of your bad deeds. So we've been blessed with the concept of niyyah. Understand the philosophical understanding of niyyah. Does that make sense? Okay. Understand the concept of niyyah. It's very, very, very important, and it could change the world when it comes to how you perceive things and how you take things and what you achieve in life. So I'm just gonna give this is a quick story time. This is a quick video. I'm just gonna let you guys know about one really important story. So I have friends from various walks of life, and I've had a chance to meet with different Muslims and how they take about life. There's a group of Muslim brothers and sisters who focus on the concept that it is very difficult to live our life without riba. Then I have the other side. It's not difficult at all to live your life without riba. You can do it even if you're in the West. And our brothers who have not to this day had a credit card. They only have the credit card for the concept of, sometimes you can only buy things using credit card. That's the only time that they have a credit card. But even then, they're trying to get rid of that, get a Visa or get the Koho card and stuff, and they know about that and they're starting to work towards that. And then I have brothers and sisters who have a lot of credit cards. I have brothers and sisters who are focused heavily on getting loans which are riba based. They're like, oh yes, we have a riba based loan because it's education and it's a necessity and we can't pay it off. That was their niyyah. Their niyyah was that genuinely I cannot pay off my loan because it's a big loan and I will have to pay riba on it, so I will pay riba on it. So what's the point of paying it right away? Why don't I start my life off and have some savings and then pay off this university loan over the next 5 to 10 years? Then I have brothers on this side and sisters on this side who is like, no. And I'm talking about non-Muslim also, because they understood the concept of what interest is, right? They were smart to understand how interest can ruin your life. So I had brothers and sisters here who were like, no, we're going to graduate, and before we graduate, we're going to pay off our loans through co-ops, through hard work, through jobs, through grants, through scholarships. Whichever way we can make permissible income, we will make it and we'll pay off our loans and take care of our book costs, our rent costs, whatever it is. University is expensive whenever you're going through the 4 years, 5 years, blah, blah, blah. Then I had brothers and sisters or families that I knew that were like mentally hit hard that, okay, no, the only way we can get a house is through a conventional mortgage, right? A bank loan, which is going to get you riba, which is going to be a variable riba or a fixed riba, and you're locked in for 25 years, 30 years. On the other side, I had brothers and sisters who are focused on trying to find halal solutions. They're like, we'll work hard, we'll get a big down payment, then we'll do a mudaraba or a musharaka with a proper provider. And if you guys want to learn more about the proper providers, you can watch my video about halal mortgages. There are solutions out there. And then a step further, was there's brothers and sisters who are was genuinely that were not picking up any mortgages, no format of loan, because there's actual strong teachings from the deen that leave loans. Do not go towards loans. Go towards the concept of doing it yourself, buying and working hard and doing it as a family, as a unit. You can do it. And so there's brothers and sisters who did that because that was their niyyah. And Allah gave it to them in that format. They saved up as a family and they bought a house which is more than $1 million, all cash. Because that was their niyyah. Because that's exactly what they wanted in their life. And they're not that old. Trust me. I think the uncle was X amount. I don't know how old the uncle was, but I know the kids are just a little bit older than me. All the brothers got together. They put all their money together, all the savings together, whatever they could do. And like X amount of years of living on rent and then all of a sudden paying it full down. This is the concept of niyyah and the concept of wanting to do it the right way. When you want or when you don't have the need of doing it the right way, if you don't want to necessarily take your genuine efforts towards the path of the right and the path that Allah has given to us, which is a bigger blessing which is a bigger blessing for us, right? If you don't want to do that, because your niyyah is not even there, you're not gonna be able to act upon it. It's very difficult to act upon something when your niyyah is not even there. I'm not lying. If you're a university student, I know brothers who graduated with a full degree and a full loan with $0 still on their loan. Fourth year finish, their loan finished. This is the number that they had in their loan. One I don't want to say anything, but one guy standing right in front of you. And there's many brothers I know like this. And there's also a non-Muslim sister that I know about like this, because she understood the concept of riba and how destructive it is. Right? So if you want to be with the person of riba, and that's your niyyah, and you don't think you can do it without riba, you're gonna end up like that. If you generally make up your mind that I can work hard and I can graduate without riba and I can live my life without riba, no credit cards, no loans, university loans, no mortgages that are conventional mortgages, you will be able to find a way to pay off and succeed in getting your own real estate without a mortgage, without riba. And now I can even show you guys, if you guys want a if you guys saw my journey from poor to rich, I can also show you guys a journey on how you can buy your own interest-free based house, right? It's not even, I'm not gonna say halal mortgage, I'm gonna say how you can invest smartly over the next 8 years while renting and pay off an entire house and get it as in your own asset instead of being locked in a conventional mortgage for 25 years. I want to make another video on this concept of conventional mortgage versus halal mortgage and why halal mortgage is the winner in general. Okay guys, so you guys get the concept. It's very important. This is a really huge thing, and if you don't change this in your life, trust me, it's not going to change. Nothing in your life is going to change for the better. If you're a student and you think you're going to be successful with just the riba base, just graduating and then paying your loans in the next 10 years, trust me, I'm a finance degree holder. Maybe I wonder if I should put up my degree or something. I'm a honors BBA finance concentration degree holder. You can check my LinkedIn. I'm telling you, interest is not gonna make you more successful. I'm taking spiritual out too, but I'm just saying, interest is not gonna make you successful. Even in its raw concept of how it works when it comes to compounding, you're paying much more than you think. Got it? Cool guys. Take care. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe this with your friends, whoever is involved with this stuff. Honestly, tell them about this. Because when you help a brother out or a sister out, they on the day of judgment will stand and inshallah vouch for you and say, this person is the person that got me off of riba. So protect yourself, protect your family, protect your friends. Share, like, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.